What's up guys? Have you ever wondered what will happen if you put cotton candy in the microwave? Well, one way to find out. Okay, we got here cotton candy. Boom, we're just gonna set it like this. Beautiful. Alright, we're just gonna put it for 1 minute. See what happens. So far I don't see anything really changes. Kinda melting a little bit. Whoa, look at that. This just looks like melting on one side. No way. That's so crazy. Whoa, it's getting smaller and smaller. Look at that. Something bubbling over there. Ew! Oh, it smells like sugar. 9 more seconds. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it's all melted. And 2, 3, 2, 1, done. Oh, look at that. This is just melted sugar with food coloring. Do not microwave cotton candy. That's so disgusting. You know, when you microwave marshmallow, it's actually expand. This thing instead melts. Who would have thought? So cool. But please do not try this at home.